I'm going to show you the easiest way that I found to locate the audio integration connector on the Indian Roadmaster and Indian Chieftain motorcycles. On the left side of the motorcycle, under the handlebars, you will see the left fork tube. If you reach with your right hand behind that fork tube and reach all the way as far to the top as you can go and start feeling around for some wires. The wires are grouped in multiples of 3, 4, 5, whatever. There's several wire groups back there. Find a wire group that moves relatively easily and trace that wire group down to its connector. This is the connector you're looking for. It's a 5-pin gray connector.